Is your wealth shielded by a private trust? I am Stephanie Graham of Graham Estate Planning. I have been practicing law for 29 years in both New York and Georgia. I currently have an office in Atlanta, Buckhead, where we have been practicing estate planning and probate for approximately 9 years. That being said, let's talk about the privacy. Are you aware that once you pass away and a petition is filed in probate court, all of your assets become public record? That's right. Your significant other, your next door neighbor, your cousin who you never met, they can all go down to the court, or even you can't necessarily call up online, but you can go into court. And as long as you're willing to pay for copies, you can obtain a copy of the petition for probate. And in that petition for probate, it lists the full name and address of your beneficiaries. It lists your assets and what county they are located in, not all of them, and will also possibly list your cars, your 401ks, your pensions, all the assets that you have. There are entities that have staff that go through these records. In fact, I remember a couple of years ago, a real estate agent showed me a site that she signed up for. I think it was created for real estate attorneys, that if you retain me and I file a petition for your probate, it will not only tell them who the decedent is and who the heirs are, but it will also tell them who the attorney is, which probably explains why I receive all the paperwork for my clients instead of it being submitted to the client who is applying for administration or executor of the estate. So, yes, that's right. If you are worth over $1 million, they know how to find where you live. They know how to find all of your heirs. They know how much your house is worth. They know if there are any outstanding taxes. They know who your joint owners are, if any, and they know about any liens on the house because, again, it's public record. So if you would like to keep your wealth, your empire that you spent your entire life and career building, you should meet with a qualified estate planning attorney to learn what your options are in protecting your wealth and securing your legacy. Don't forget to subscribe below and follow us for more tips on estate planning and probate.